In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Intercom. Today we will go through the sign-up process from start to finish, so you can set up your Intercom account and get ready for onboarding. First, go to the Intercom website in your web browser. Take a moment to confirm you are on the official site. Then look for the main call to action area. This step matters because it ensures you are starting the process in the correct place. Next, click Start Free Trial or Get Started. The wording can vary depending on what Intercom is currently promoting, but the goal is the same. Begin creating your account. After you click, you should see a sign-up page where Intercom asks for a few basic details. Now you will enter your work email. Use the email address you have access to, because you will need it later for verification. This also helps keep your account tied to your organization, especially if you plan to invite teammates. After that, enter your full name. Using your real name makes it easier for others in your company to recognize who set up the account. It also keeps things consistent for billing and account administration. Then you will create a password. Choose a password that meets the website requirements and that you can remember. For safety, use a strong password made of multiple character types. Once you enter it, double-check for typos before moving on, because password entry errors can slow you down. Next, click Continue. This will submit the information you entered so far and move you to the next section. If the page performs validation, you may see prompts if something needs adjustment, such as an email format or password rules. After you click Continue, you will enter your company details. Look for fields such as your company name and other requested business information. Fill these in carefully, because this data is used to tailor the setup and to organize how your Intercom workspace is structured. Once the company details are entered, click Continue again. This action typically confirms your organization information and advances you to the email verification stage. If the page loads slowly, give it a few moments so you can see the next instructions clearly. Now you need to verify your email address. Switch to the email inbox connected to the work email you entered earlier, and look for a verification message from Intercom. Open the email and follow the verification link or instructions provided. This step is important because it confirms that you control the email address, and it unlocks the ability to proceed with onboarding. When your email is verified, return to the sign-up flow if it does not automatically advance. You should now see the onboarding steps that guide you through setting up your Intercom environment. Take your time here and follow whatever prompts appear on screen. Finally, complete the onboarding setup. This may include selecting options or confirming preferences as you get your workspace ready. If Intercom shows progress indicators, make sure the status moves forward until setup is complete. If you are unsure about a field, review the explanation on the page so you choose the option that best matches your needs. It covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.